bringing you more of that in our 9 p.m. bulletin. Now, the Cabinet Secretary for Mining, Fisheries and Blue Economy, Salim Mvurya, has noted that Kenya is sufficiently supplied with fish, negating the need for importation of fish in the country. Now, according to Mvurya, the government is working on reducing fish feed prices to enhance fish farming in the country, even as he committed that the government will work with exporters to address the challenges in the value chain and streamline the sector.
So discussed with the importers to see how within their working environment, we can be able to support them in that particular process. There were also issues of production, from the farmers, especially on the area of equipment and how we can organize the fishermen much better. And already we are working on listing them in cooperative societies. Already we've done 100 cooperative societies from the BMUs. We are also supporting them with fisheries infrastructure.
This has been a milestone meeting, bringing together importers, processors, and farmers. For me, this meeting has highlighted the interdependence and relationships that must be further developed in this value chain. But more importantly, what has clearly come out from this meeting is that we have enough fish in this country.
In it, we have found that we have a lot of in-house solutions and interventions that we ourselves do not need to wait for any other external forces, but just the help of our parent ministry to help us align so that we can be able to ensure that we have good nutrition, we have increased productivity, we have livelihoods, and that we can also spur the economy.
Now, in an effort to reverse Kenya's widening gap between exports and imports,